guys, welcome back to my channel.
Ha baby, sinä niin lately Skundi muispom, everyday treaties Äänet wondering to
So guys, this video is about a package, a collaboration package that I received from Faces Canada. So this is a package which they sent me and it had some amazing skincare goodies, some skincare products, and I'm going to show you what products are those. Then please continue watching. So the first product is this Faces Canada Epic Skin Face Wash. So this is for combination skin. So combination skin usually is like oily, dry, normal skin. It varies between it. So this is for combination skin and it works really well. So in further video you'll see me using it, and it instantly you can see the difference in your face. So this is the product number 1, which is the face wash. Number 2 is this Faces Canada Urban Balance Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So again, this is like a very nice product, guys. Trust me, this is one of the best peel off mask I've ever come across. So obviously you'll see me in the video using it. So yeah, this is the Faces Canada Urban Balance Charcoal Peel Off Mask, which has activated charcoal, moringa oil, amla plus turmeric extract. So yeah, so this is the tube. See guys, this is the tube. It's very nice and it smells so good, and it's not that painful when you peel it off. It's not that painful at all. So it is like a must try. So yeah, this is the second product, and the third product is the serum or the face oil. So this is the Faces Canada Urban Balance 6-in-1 Skin Miracle Face Oil. So it soothes, rejuvenates and preserves skin youth, natural extracts plus essential oils. So this one, again, this is like a very amazing product. When you apply it on your skin it starts glowing and it looks amazing, guys, seriously. So this is how the packaging is, because the bottle needs to be taken care of because it's a glass bottle. So this is how it is, and again, this smells so good. Like I have applied this and I have started using it actually, and I'm absolutely loving it because you can see the difference in a day, and that's pretty amazing. So this is the bottle. We have to be very careful with this.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So guys, I've applied this black charcoal mask, which is a peel off mask. So you have to leave it on your face for like 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Do not use any soap or face wash after you remove your peel off mask. You can just apply serum or moisturizer. So yeah, I'm going to show you what serum I'm going to use, but yeah, as far as this peel off mask is concerned, leave it on 15-20 minutes and then just wash it off with the lukewarm water.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, so please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell post notification so that you get updated every time I post a new video. And please don't forget to add me on my Instagram and my Snapchat. Both the IDs are there down in the description. Please don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, we are really very close to 1000 subscribers. So please make sure that you share this video and ask your friends and your family to subscribe to my channel, and soon within a week or so we will hit 1k subscribers, which is 1000 subscribers. Like, oh my god, this is so unbelievable. So yeah, please share it the maximum you can, and I'll see you guys in my next video.